Today, I'll show you how to navigate the Bluehost dashboard using the updated account manager so you can quickly find everything you need without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go for your websites, domains, email, billing, and more, all from the streamlined left-hand sidebar. When you first log into your Bluehost account, the main thing you'll notice is that everything important lives in that left-hand sidebar. Think of it as your control panel. Each section there opens up tools and settings related to a specific part of your hosting account. We'll go through each one so you know what it's for and when to use it. Let's start with the home section. This is your overall account overview. Here, you'll typically see your site health, some quick actions, and any recent updates or alerts. It's a great place to check if anything needs your attention, like security notices or renewal reminders. If you're not sure where to begin, come to the home area first to get a snapshot of what's going on with your account. Next, move down to the websites section. This is really your primary hub inside Bluehost. You'll see a list of the websites connected to your account. For each site, there's a manage option. Clicking manage opens up all the tools that apply to that specific site, such as SSL status and performance settings. This is also where you'll usually find a one-click login into WordPress, which saves you from having to remember a separate WordPress username and password. Whenever you think, I need to work on a specific site, the website section is the place to start. Now let's look at hosting. This section is more technical, but it's important. Inside hosting, you can view details like your server's IP address and your name servers. You'll also find access to features like FTP or SSH, which are used for direct file management and secure server access. If a developer, designer, or support agent ever asks for hosting details, this is where you'll find most of what they need. Moving on, we have the domains section. Here you manage all the domain names associated with your account. You can review registrations, renew domains, and edit DNS records. DNS controls where your domain points, such as to your Bluehost hosting or another service. If you're connecting your domain to a different platform, or if you're troubleshooting issues with where your site is loading, this is the section you'll use most. Next is email. This is where you set up and manage professional email addresses that match your domain. You'll typically see options to create mailboxes using services like Titan or Google Workspace. You can also configure forwarding, so messages sent to one address automatically go to another. If you want branded email like info@your-domain, this is where you'll create and manage it. The security section focuses on keeping your site protected. Here you can access malware scanning tools such as SiteLock and manage your SSL certificates. Your SSL is what enables the secure HTTPS connection in visitors' browsers. It's important for trust and for search rankings, so if you ever need to confirm that your SSL is active or troubleshoot security alerts, you'll come here. The billing section is where you handle the financial side of your account. You can view invoices, update your payment methods, and manage renewals for your services. It's a good idea to occasionally check this area to confirm your contact and payment details are current so you avoid unexpected interruptions to hosting or domain services. Finally, there's the marketplace. This is where you can browse themes, plugins, and add-on services to extend what your website can do. If you want new design options, extra security tools, or marketing add-ons, this is the section to explore. Once you get familiar with each section of that left-hand sidebar, the Bluehost dashboard becomes much easier to use. Whenever you're logged in and unsure where to go, just think about what part of your online presence you're working on, your website, your domain, your email, your security, your billing, or extra tools. Then choose the matching section in the sidebar and you'll be right where you need to be.